Hello, today I'm in Audi A3. In this video I'll show you how to enter Handbook. Firstly, to enter Handbook, make sure that it's installed on the hard drive in your car. If it's not, make sure to install it from the external device like USB or SD card. To enter it, take a look at the screen display and go to Car. Go to the left and enter Handbook. Currently I've got no Handbook installed, but I can install it from online update, SD card, CD DVD or USB. You can find online Handbook on the Audi website. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.